Earn $600/hour with free survey sites. Did you know you can earn up to $600 an hour by just answering a few questions? Yes, it's possible, and today, I'm revealing the top free survey sites where you can start earning big bucks without any investment. Stay tuned because some of these sites offer insane rewards you don't want to miss. Welcome to Prince Sam Official. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you. List of top survey sites. Site number 1, Swagbucks. What is it? A popular platform offering surveys, videos, and other earning opportunities. How to earn. Complete surveys, watch ads, or shop online. Payment method, PayPal, cash, or gift cards. Earning tip, focus on surveys with higher SB points. Site number 2, Toluna. What is it? A site offering surveys and product testing opportunities. How to earn. Answer surveys and get matched based on your profile. Payment method, PayPal or vouchers. Earning tip, keep your profile updated for high-paying surveys. Site number 3, Pinecone Research. What is it? A premium survey site known for high payouts. How to earn. Complete exclusive surveys. Payment method, PayPal or gift cards. Earning tip, it's invite only, so apply through their official website or trusted partners. Site number 4, Vindale Research. What is it? A high-paying site but with fewer surveys. How to earn. Answer detailed surveys or test products. Payment method, PayPal. Earning tip, be consistent and check the platform daily. Site number 5, Survey Junkie. What is it? A beginner-friendly site with quick surveys. How to earn. Answer short surveys or participate in focus groups. Payment method, PayPal or direct bank deposit. Earning tip, redeem points once you hit the payout threshold. Site number 6, InboxDollars. What is it? Earn by completing surveys, watching ads, or reading emails. How to earn. Participate daily to earn bonuses. Payment method, PayPal or gift cards. Earning tip, use referral programs to increase your earnings. Tips to maximize earnings. Complete your profile. This helps you get matched to high-paying surveys. Join multiple sites. Don't rely on one platform. Sign up for 2 to 3 to increase opportunities. Check daily. Many surveys have limited slot, so act fast. Avoid scams. Never pay to join a survey site. Benefits of survey sites. Flexible hours. Work whenever you want. Free to join. No upfront costs. Easy payouts. Get paid quickly via PayPal or gift cards. Accessible to everyone. You just need a smartphone or computer. Challenges and solutions. Few surveys available. Solution, join multiple sites. Low payouts. Solution, focus on high-paying surveys only. Delayed payments. Solution, read reviews to join trusted platforms. We've covered the best survey sites that can help you earn extra cash, and now it's your turn to start making money. Remember, consistency and choosing the right platforms are key to success. Don't forget, if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more money-making tips. Thank you for watching Prince Sam Official. Stay tuned for more ways to build your wealth and live your dream life. And remember, Prince Sam Official loves you all. See you in the next video.